Discover how modern AI tools can save time, reduce effort, and boost creativity through simple explanations, practical examples, and workflows designed for real everyday use.
Every single day, new AI tools launch. Some promise to replace entire jobs, some claim they'll save you hours every week, and some honestly feel like they were built just to ride the AI hype. So instead of spending your weekend testing dozens of tools yourself, I picked some of the most interesting AI tools I've come across recently, tools for creating content, boosting productivity, and even building AI applications. Let's jump in. The first category is AI video generation. This space has evolved incredibly fast over the past year. We're now seeing tools capable of generating cinematic shots, realistic motion, and surprisingly consistent characters from nothing more than a text prompt. For creators, marketers, and even small businesses, this dramatically lowers the barrier to producing high-quality video content without needing an entire production team. It's still not perfect, but the pace of improvement has been incredible. Next up is AI coding. Whether you're building websites, mobile apps, or automating repetitive tasks, AI coding assistants have become surprisingly capable. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can describe what you want in plain English, let the AI generate the first version, then refine it yourself. It's less about replacing developers, and more about helping them move significantly faster. Another area that's exploded recently is AI research. Instead of opening dozens of browser tabs, reading articles one by one, and manually collecting information, many AI tools can now summarize sources, compare information, and organize research in minutes. It's one of those improvements that doesn't look flashy, but once you start using it, it's difficult to go back. And that actually brings up something interesting. Most people focus on the AI models themselves. But behind many of these applications is another piece of technology that often gets overlooked. If you're not just using AI, but actually building AI apps or AI agents, you eventually run into a completely different challenge. How do you give your application access to reliable, real-time information from the web? That's exactly what today's sponsor helps solve. One thing that becomes really important once you start building AI apps, especially AI agents, is access to real-time web data. Because here's the problem. The moment your app needs current information from Google, YouTube, news sites, research papers, or basically anything live on the internet, web scraping becomes an absolute nightmare. You have to deal with captchas, rotating proxies, rate limits, constantly changing HTML layouts, and honestly, it becomes a full-time job just maintaining scraping infrastructure. So instead of doing all of that manually, I've been using SerpApi. SerpApi gives you clean, structured search results data from Google, YouTube, Bing, Google Scholar, and more through a super simple API. So instead of scraping messy HTML, you make one request and get back structured JSON that's actually usable inside your apps. And this is incredibly useful for AI projects. If you're building an AI agent that needs live search results, SerpApi can power that search layer. If you're training machine learning models, their Image AP is help you build datasets using structured image results with titles, URLs, and thumbnails already organized for you. And if you're building research tools or RAG systems, their Google Scholar API gives you access to peer-reviewed article metadata without having to build your own scraper. The best part is they handle all the annoying infrastructure stuff for you, so you can focus on building the actual product instead of babysitting scrapers all day. You can get started with 250 free credits by clicking the link in the description or scanning the QR code on screen. And again, thanks to SerpApi for sponsoring this video. Now getting back to the list. The next category is probably one of my favorites because it combines several AI technologies together. AI agents are becoming much more than simple chatbots. Instead of just answering questions, they're beginning to complete multi-step tasks, searching for information, analyzing documents, writing reports, and interacting with different software with very little human input. We're still early, but this is one of the areas I'm watching most closely. Finally, we have AI design tools. These can generate presentations, marketing graphics, UI mockups, social media posts, and even product concepts within minutes. They're not replacing designers, but they're making the early stages of brainstorming and prototyping dramatically faster. For solo creators and startups, that's a huge advantage. Those are some of the AI tools that stood out to me recently. The AI space is moving incredibly fast, and every month there's something new worth paying attention to. If there are any AI tools you've been experimenting with lately, let me know in the comments. I'd love to check them out for a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.